What's going on, guys? Another episode by Prime Daily. Today we're gonna be doing something really cool. Been wanting to do it for a while, but I never really had the time until now. We're gonna be polishing my exhaust. It's kind of dirty right now, so it is about time that we get that taken care of. Really, you know, it's nothing too crazy, but it is kind of dirty. It's not gonna be too expensive to do. We're only gonna be using this right here, whatever this is called, brass hole polisher. It's like $2-3 at Lowe's, not too crazy. And then I got these right here. They were 88 cents at Walmart, and it's a 2-pack, so I got 6 of them. 2 of them to clean it with water, 2 of them to apply this, and another to clean it off. So let's get it started. Alright guys, so again, this is what we're going to be using. I'm going to be using a little bit of water. So we're doing the next part. Gotta hurry up because this camera's about to die. And then the dry rag to dry it up, finish the job. Ooh, look at how shiny that looks. That could be your exhaust, people, for the low cost of like $6. Less than that. So guys, that is the final product. Oh my god, that looks really good. I'm very glad I did this. Look back. Alright, as you can see that part, and we're done, guys. That's the aftermath. It only took me like 10 minutes altogether, and you can do it as well for like $5. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.